Business Advice Centre, South Africa. Good afternoon. This is Bianca speaking. How can I be of assistance?
Good day, Ron here. I'm looking at starting a business with high earning potential and a lot of opportunities, and I'm not sure which industry to take on.
Well, sir, we've seen an upward trend in the printing industry and we're sure there's a lot of potential there.
Well, that sounds great, but where do I get the equipment and advice needed to enter the printing industry? What is the solution?
We can suggest applicators Africa. They have a big range of equipment and they'll give you the advice you need.
TitanJet Africa offers a solution. Our business idea will not only make you a handsome profit, but it's also easy. With TitanJet large format printers, you can make stickers, banners, canvases, signs, and much more. If you are creative and energetic and have a keen eye for detail, you can establish yourself as a leader in the industry. Starting a sign business is exciting with the affordable packages that Titan offers. Book a demo today. Call us on 012 567 7546 or visit our website www.titanjet.co.za.